Entertainment News.
Award-winning na Pinoy director nag-uwi ng 5 parangal mula sa isang prestiyosong International Film Festival doon sa India. Narito ang report ng Star FM Baguio.
Nag-uwi ng 5 parangal mula sa Port Blair International Film Festival sa Bollywood ang critically acclaimed Filipino director na si Rom Burlat. Kabilang sa mga awards ni Direk Rom ay ang Best International Film at Best Director para sa pelikulang Ama Ka ng Anak Mo at Best Actor, Best Supporting Actor at Best Script para sa pelikulang Sindi. Sa exclusive interview ng Star FM Baguio sa award-winning Filipino director, inilahad nitong labis ang saya nito sa bagong mga parangal na kanyang natanggap sa gitna ng pandemic. Samantala, sa kabuuan ay 69 na international awards na ang natanggap ng Pinoy filmmaker.
Actually, 2020 is a really difficult year for everyone. On the other side of the fence, it's positive for me awards-wise. The first one was Best Actors Awards sa Los Angeles, California, and then sunod-sunod na siya. Just go on to your dreams. There's no age requirement. I started late in my career, but I was able to achieve much with that short period of time. Thank your bashers because they will help you mold you into a better actor, a better director, and a better celebrity. To our listeners, always listen to Bombo Radio. Number 1, I should say. People are very nice, very accommodating. Words are not enough to describe the station.
Bahagi ng exclusive interview ng Star FM Baguio sa award-winning Filipino director na si Rom Burlat. Yan ang report mula sa 89.5 Star FM Baguio para sa Bombo Network News. Star DJ Gabby nag-uulat para sa pambansang radyo ng Pilipinas, Basta Radyo, Bombo.
Bombo Business News and Foreign Exchange